Hi guys, and happy Vlogtober. So I am really excited to do Vlogtober again this year because it is my favorite month of the year. I love all things fall and Halloween. So to start, I want to let you know what my schedule is going to be for the upcoming month, just so you guys know when to expect a video. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right away so that you're sure to get notified, especially if you hit that bell notification. You can get notified every time I share a new video, and I'm going to be sharing lots of fun stuff in October for sure, and coming into the holiday season. So on Monday and Thursday, I'm going to do my regular vlog style videos. So on Monday, you'll see the weekend, and on Thursday, you'll see the week. So that's the way I'm going to do it to allow time for other video content as well during the week. So Monday at 7 a.m., because I know you guys like to have morning coffee. And then on Tuesday, my regularly scheduled content will be posted at 2 p.m. And then Wednesday is going to be my day off. And then Thursday, again at 7 a.m. will be the Vlogtober vlog, second vlog of the week. And then finally on Friday, I'm going to be sharing regularly scheduled content at 2 p.m. So I hope that you guys are going to join me for it. But today we are starting to decorate for Halloween, and I figured no better way to kick off Vlogtober other than Halloween decorating. This is probably going to be a 2 or 3 day event, so I think it's going to be fun to bring you guys along. I'm getting ready to post this drink on Instagram because this is the best Starbucks drink that I have ever gotten, and I just wrote it down here on this paper plate. It's a venti iced chai with vanilla and pumpkin cream cold foam. I need to remember that. This is amazing. It's like drinking a pumpkin pie. So we have been really busy today decorating, and I still have a lot more to do. Like I said, this is going to be a few day process. Do you guys like the shirt I'm wearing today? It's from one of my friends here on YouTube, Charlene. Love it. So we are going to do a little bit more. I have to make dinner, and then I think we're gonna head to Spirit Halloween again. It's gonna be like our 3rd or 4th trip of the season. So we just love going there, and Madison is having a Harry Potter themed birthday party, which I'll be sharing with you guys soon as well, and I'm so excited about it because you guys know I'm obsessed with Harry Potter. So we're gonna see if there's anything that we can purchase there to help out with her party, any like party supplies or any fun stuff. So that's what we're doing tonight, but now I have to get on dinner. This is one of my favorite recipes. I found it from Kimmy's channel, from She's in Her Apron. So I have 3 chicken breasts in here that cooked for 4 hours on low, and the only thing I did to them was I sprinkled one of these packets on top, and then I cooked it on low for 4 hours. And now I'm going to add a half of a package of cream cheese and some cream of mushroom soup. I'm gonna mix it all in there until it's nice and creamy, and let it cook for another, I think about an hour. And then I'm gonna shred up the chicken, and it's going to be done. To go along with that, I'm going to make some green beans and some mashed potatoes. I'm not very good at mashed potatoes, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway because I think it'll be good with that. Emily does not like decorating for Halloween, and now she's messing with me and taking all of my decorations and putting them in the most random spots. She's driving me crazy today. So just found this in the fridge. Here's a little preview of Madison's get up for her birthday party. Do you want to let everyone know what Hogwarts house you're in? Oh. Well, some people don't know the colors. She is a Gryffindor, just like Harry Potter. And Hermione and Ron. And Hermione and Ron. And Neville. Do you want to let them know what house I'm in?
Slytherin.
Slytherin for life. Haha. We are so excited for the Harry Potter party.
And then it has the thing.
Love it. Chester's checking it out.
You like it?
So the potatoes are just about done, and I'm heating up the green beans. And I just shredded the chicken. I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes, but look at how good this looks. That would have been horrible. Everyone would be so sad if they weren't. I would lose everyone if they didn't see our dinner. So it's about 10 o'clock at night. We just got back from Spirit Halloween and we went out for ice cream too. And I just wanted to show you what I bought. The Sanderson Museum of Witchcraft, Salem, Massachusetts. I love this. I'm going to hang it in the front of the house. Good morning, guys. We have another fun day of decorating today. Madison has a play date. She has like a 2-hour play date outside in masks with a friend of hers. They're trying to be super safe. I've been getting really nervous lately about everything. I know they're saying that in the fall, things are going to peak like November-ish, I think is what they're anticipating. I don't watch the news very much, but I don't know, I just see it coming and I'm getting more nervous. And we actually just decided last night that we are absolutely not going to have our Halloween party this year, which makes me so incredibly sad. I'm so disappointed, but that is a party that there are just a lot of people, and if the weather is bad and people need to come indoors, it's just not safe. It's not the right thing to do. So sadly, that's going to be canceled. I'm about to post it on my Facebook right now just to let people know that it's not happening. But yeah, the post I just made for my Facebook, so sad. Happy Holla wasn't. COVID ruins Halloween 2020. There will be no Brennan Halloween bash. So sad. At my dresser drawer this morning to get ready, and here's another Halloween decoration that Emily hit on me. This is going to be interesting. 2 more bins to go. I think I'm going to tackle those tomorrow. So it's already about 5 o'clock at night and I need to make dinner once again. So I think that's going to be it for decorating today. Tomorrow I should be finishing up. Tonight actually we are going over to a friend's house to celebrate a birthday. So I really just need to wrap it up today. We did a lot though. I did a lot of the outside stuff. I got the main portion of the house completely done, and now I just need to do the kitchen tomorrow and like the backyard area. So we're doing pretty good. And that is going to do it for today. I think we're just gonna barbecue for dinner and then we're headed out to our friend's house. Hey guys, we have another fun day of Halloween decorating today. Check out this shirt. Do not judge me, but this is from the children's department at Target. With Jack Skellington, it says, "This is Halloween," which is my theme song for the Halloween season. So I was really excited to buy this. And I don't care that it's from the kids department because it is super fun to wear this time of year. So today I am going to be decorating the kitchen, which means I'm going to have a lot of cleaning to do. And I'll show you in just a second all of the things I have to clean to decorate in the kitchen. I have a lot of Halloween towels, which I love. All of these really cute kitchen towels and pot holders, and look at this one with Sally. I just think they're great and I don't ever get rid of them. You can tell some of them are really super old. So obviously I have to wash all of these. I mean, they're clean, but they were stored in the basement, so they're kind of musty. So I'm gonna wash those. Then I have lots of really cute mugs for Halloween. I have a ton of them actually. So I need to wash these as well. I have some wine glasses from the dollar store that need to be washed and put away, which means I'll probably pack away the stuff that I currently have in my cabinets. Look at how beautiful this plate is. Somebody brought it to one of my Halloween parties one year and I just love displaying it. So I'll put a couple of plates out as well. in case I'm entertaining or I just want to use fun plates during the Halloween season. I'll have these on display in the kitchen. I'll show you what I've done so far. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus with Binks the cat, and then I have this sign that says it says cocoa, coffee, and tea, because this is where I keep all of the tea and coffee. Now let me show you everything else that I've done in the kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen is pretty much done. All of the dishes are put away, and now I'm going to decorate our little bathroom over here. We have a bathroom connected to our kitchen, and then I'm gonna decorate a little bit more outside. This year, I don't know if I'm going to do a cemetery setup. I usually do one somewhere in our yard, and it's kind of early to do it because it doesn't hold up well for an entire month, because the tombstones constantly fall over, and especially this time of year when it gets really windy, things blow around the yard, and it's just something that's better to do closer to Halloween. So make sure that you're continuing to watch my vlogs, because if I do it, I will definitely share it later in the month. Here are a couple of the items that I have in my office. I have these on my bookshelf, which are really cool. I got them at Amazon a while ago. I have my Mickey Mouse candle holder, my Mickey and Minnie countdown to Halloween. I love this. This is one of my favorite Halloween decorations of all time. A little Minnie Mouse sitting here holding a black cat. And here are all of the books I hope to read in October. There's a lot. I want to read Neil Gaiman's The Graveyard Book. Love him. Coraline's my favorite. You guys probably know that if you're not new to my channel. I wanted to read The Hound of Baskervilles. Of course, Dracula, and look at this edition. I love keeping these out in my office. They just look so cool. The Silent Companions. I've had this for over a year now. I wanted to read it last year and never got to it. I think it's super spooky though. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below if you've read any of these books. And then Home Before Dark. I think this is going to be the first one that I read, and I'm really excited for it because I'm doing my neighborhood book club and I'm hosting it at my house, and we're going to be talking about this book. So really excited about that. But this is my favorite Halloween story of all time. If you have a child, you must get this book, The Bones of Fred McPhee by Eve Bunting. Eve Bunting is just such an amazing writer, and I don't know, her stories are kind of poetic and haunting and spooky, and they just totally come to life. And I just love this book so much. I just want to show you kind of like the creepy illustrations, what they look like. Absolutely amazing. I have read this to every one of my children's classrooms at Halloween time, and I just still love it so much. Already almost dinner time. I just figured I would let you guys know what we're having for dinner. So tonight we're just having spaghetti and meatballs. These are my favorite meatballs that you can buy at most grocery stores. I think I've seen them at both Target and Walmart. They're so good. If you don't have time to make your own homemade meatballs, I highly recommend these. I have some tomato sauce, some whole wheat pasta. Not always a fan of whole wheat pasta, but trying to be a little bit healthier. And that's basically our entire dinner. I don't even know if I have a vegetable or a salad to serve with this tonight, but I am getting tired. It's been a lot of decorating over the last few days and a lot of cleaning. So this is going to be our quick and easy dinner tonight. How are you feeling today, Leo? Are you feeling tired and lazy too? I think we could use some snuggle time. What do you think? Leo loves snuggling on the couch with me. I think I'm gonna read a good book and snuggle with Leo. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Fluffy Face. You're a good boy. Oh, poor good boy. You're such a good boy. I love you, Leo. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed my first vlog for Vlogtober. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm really looking forward to it. I hope to share a lot of fun autumn-themed recipes, and I'm probably going to be making lots of treats for Halloween because I love to celebrate it. And even though we're not having our party this year, I am going to find other fall, festive, fun things to do with my family and my close friends who I have been seeing in the neighborhood. So I think we're gonna still have a great Halloween, October, fall season, and I'm excited for you guys to come along. I hope that you will join me. Make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you hit the bell notification so that you can know every time I share a video, and you can watch and like and comment and share. That would be wonderful. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.